Before war, I had a lot of projects, but now it's hard to be a free artist. It's my passion. I can't live without it. When I can't paint a few days, even when I'm on vacation, it's hard to do something else. But when you have war in your country, the most thinking about a lot of problems, a lot of scary things. I came in Berlin to make a collaboration with Dennis Schuster. We are going to make a huge mural. It's nearly 200 square meters.
You're very lucky. It's a nice city and the sun is shining.
Yes, I know it.
Usually it's super cold now.
We are looking for a new language to talk about the Ukrainian issue, but not in a depressive way. We are doing the project in a collaboration between Ukrainian and international artists. I went through many profiles and then I saw Dexter and I immediately I want that guy, and we didn't know we could get him because he is the star.
It must be hard to be an artist right now in Ukraine. It's a super critical point at the moment, and I don't have much money. I don't have like a room at home to where somebody could live or something. I feel the need to do something, but I'm not 100% sure what. So what can I do as an artist? I just can paint something. Actually, I don't collaborate with people that I don't know.
Or something. And
I will use pencil.
you use pencil.
To have really a nice outcome and a nice wall in the end, it's super hard to choose someone.
Not enough black or something.
For me, it is necessary that the styles might fit well together, and the agency proposed some artists that nothing against their art, they are pretty good, all of them, but I didn't see like a connection to my work, so then they sent like Andriy's work and I was like, okay, this might fit.
Dennis chose me and I was very lucky.
Happy to have you here.
I knew his work before, so it's pretty cool to be here and make work together. The process of making sketch was very pretty.
When we did the sketches with the port agency, and I always write like a concept. What are we doing here and why, and like describing every symbol I'm painting. And
We took a few words, I made my part, sent to Dennis.
I checked his work. I was like, okay, what can I do with this now? Kind of understood what he wants to tell the viewer.
Then he add his part. Then we look at it, add something, talk about it. It was very easy and we understand each other.
We are in some kind of rush here, so we only have like 5 days to complete the wall, and tomorrow it might rain, so we might lose a day. These huge murals are so much work always that you really have to focus. Now it's just like a plotter, like doing step by step this mural.
Something is wrong.
You never know what will happen. Sometimes the machine is not working and you have to like wait until it gets like repaired or something.
Try again. There you go. I don't know. You never know. These are all old machines, kind of, and sometimes they need a little bit of love. And that's all.
For me, Andriy is like working like a mathematic professor or something like this. Like everything's like super clean, super clean.
I mean, he's really focused and he's like super 100% with his work. For example, when I did the grid and I started at the top left, and he started from the bottom and I did this one line to the bottom, and he said, hey, come on, this is 93 centimeters at the bottom. And I was like, oh, fuck, man. It was the first line. I was like, shit, this is 200, almost 200 square meters, man. And we were talking about fucking 7 centimeters. So it's really precise with his work, and this is good. This is a good thing. For me, it's fascinating because I couldn't do it this way. He's doing a nice job with this, and when you see his other stuff, you know, okay, this is a hard-working man.
Traditionally, I used to use daylight hours, but in this moment, when we have 5 o'clock, the sun goes down. So it's a nice decision to use light to make extra hours. Maybe it's some similar situation when we have in Ukraine, when there is no electricity and you have only one power bank and little light. It's almost the same, but it's a great feeling because you're only one. You have your work, you have light, you have everything to do your lovely work.
In that case, I need to use turtle mode.
Andriy! Hey, you finished! Super! Perfect timing! And where should we sign this? Here in this blue area, maybe?
He opened up. I think he opened up a lot.
Yeah, I think we have very interesting part of the wall.
Like in the first days, he was like super quiet, and now he's like making his sarcastic jokes, and he's a funny guy. We talked about very personal stuff like family and stuff like this, or like how we feel as an artist. We didn't talk about war at all.
Thank you very much. Danke Deutschland. Slava Ukraini.
The name of the piece that you see is the flower of democracy.
One TV team asked me today, like, did you like talk about war or something like this? And I was like, no, because there was no need actually.
Yes, give them an applause. They're brave and courageous people.
I think for him it was also like a good few days to think about something else and just enjoy life and create something amazing.
It was very easy and very pretty to work with Dennis. I can say that we are almost the same people in different countries. Same feelings, same thinking, same soul. The company in Berlin was so great. It was so positive, funny sometimes. But I want to go back to my family, to my country, because I love it too much, and I miss them.